Hey everyone! How you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a Get Unready with me and a little Q&A mixed in with it. It's been a really hot minute since I've done a Q&A on my channel and since I've gotten Unready on my channel, so I'm excited to do this, and I'm hella excited to be partnering with Neutrogena for this video. We are going to be using the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes in this video, you guys. One of my OG fave makeup wipes out there, okay? And even Riley's. So I'll explain. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I'm really excited to get into this, to talk a little bit more about my life with you guys. It's really fun to like kind of share myself and share what's going on in my life. So let's get started with this. Let's get unready. So before I get into actually taking my makeup off, I wanted to talk to you guys about the wipes a little bit because I know that there are a lot of new people who have been subscribing to my channel. Welcome. How you doing? And a lot of people actually always ask me like, what's your favorite type of wipes and what's the difference between wipes and blah 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 blah. So I figured let's talk about the wipes. So we have the OG original. This is the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, fragrance free. This is the ultra soft cloths. There are 25 pre-moistened towelettes, and let me tell you something. It's really good. These ones are designed specifically for sensitive skin. So if you find yourself being a little bit like more sensitive to fragrance and stuff like that, these will be your best friend. And it has an alcohol-free formula, so that's also really good. It's not going to be drying to anyone, and it's going to remove like some of the most stubborn makeup ever, like waterproof mascara. This will get it off. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes Night Calming one. And this one is designed specifically for night, has the ultra soft nourishing cloths to them. There's 25 pre-moistened towelettes in each of these, and the night calming one has a specific fragrance in it to help you like unwind and be calming and like get ready for sleep. You know what I'm saying? I actually do find that these help me at night. Like I switch between the ones I use. Like I have this one in my bathroom and the fragrance free one in my bathroom, and I use them specifically, you know, depending on what time of the day I want to remove my makeup. But I really like the night calming ones. I've used them a bunch. I've even used them on Riley before, which I'm gonna get more into that. You guys, I keep saying that and Riley's like, don't make me sound like I wear makeup, okay? And the last one I have to show you guys is the classic wipes. This is proven to remove 99.3% of your makeup, and it's really awesome. You don't need to rinse. I mean, all of these do the same thing, but they have like different techniques to them. Like, you know, the night calming one has that unique scent, and the fragrance free has no fragrance, and the original is the original. But they all remove makeup amazingly, and the best part of it is like I'm able to remove all of my makeup with just one wipe, which I think is really bomb, because I hate like being wasteful and having to use like 3 or 4 or even 5 different wipes every now and then, you know what I mean? And all of these wipes are ophthalmologist tested and allergy tested, so you don't really have to worry about that. It's gentle on your eyes, it's gentle on the skin and everything. So let's get into taking our makeup off. Let's remove these bad boys. Bye. See you later. And I'm going to be using the fragrance-free one just because your girl's got sensitive skin. I really like the fragrance-free one a lot. The fragrance-free and the classic are $7.99, and the night calming is $8.49. It's a little bit more expensive because it does have that like soothing kind of scent to it. Let's look at some of our Q&A questions. Is it hard to take care of your chickens? I love that question. So, no, they're actually pretty easy to take care of. You just gotta make sure they have their water every single day, and you gotta make sure that they got their food and that they're happy and that there's no fighting going on. They're really easy, honestly. Also, the way I like to remove my makeup is kind of from top to bottom. I don't think there's really any right or wrong way to removing your makeup, but if you were not a beauty guru, what career do you think you would have? That's a good question. I probably would be like honestly involved in makeup somehow, like maybe I would work at MAC or Sephora, But I also went to school to be a medical assistant, so I have that degree under my belt. So maybe I would do something with that again, but I don't know. I'm really happy. Like, I love being able to do YouTube as a full-time job, and it's all because of you guys. So what is your favorite childhood memory? Ooh, that's a good one. I really, really, really love when my family would take us to Disneyland in Florida. Like, I loved that so much. And I think just like, I don't know, I'm so lucky to have like awesome parents. Like, it's really hard for me to like pinpoint one thing exactly. But, and damn, did you see how easy that came off? Okay. But yeah, I have some really great parents and I'm so lucky to have them. Oh, let me tell you guys. So when I first met Riley, you have to wear a lot of sunscreen on the mountain. And sunscreen can be really hard to get off your face. And he was using the Neutrogena makeup wipes and I was like, did I just fall in love? Like, are you kidding me? And I love that story, like that even he uses it. We have a friend that's a surfer down in San Diego and he loves to use the wipes and so does his wife. So like, it's really cool how versatile these wipes are and like how many different people can use them. You know what I mean? Our next question is, will Mo and Junie be getting any more siblings in the future? I don't know, y'all. It's kind of hard to say right now because I feel like 2 dogs and a chicken is a lot. Maybe in the future, like if I were to ever get a bigger house or something or move or like anything like that, I feel like possibly, but especially Mo is very, very, very attached to me. Look, I literally was able to remove my makeup with just one wipe. That's so awesome. Mo is very, very, very attached to me. And I feel like if I were to bring another dog into his life and be able to give that dog the love and attention that it would need to feel like just happy, I feel like I would be making Mo very, very, very jealous. I don't really want to like do that to him anytime soon because he really has had such a rough life and a rough year with me, you know, like he had his massive surgery and all that stuff. So yeah, I don't think anytime soon. I don't see myself doing anything maybe for at least like 5-6 years getting another dog. But you never know. Never say never. One of the best things about this wipe is like you don't even really need to like rinse your face. Like, I was able to get everything off, like, blah. Isn't that kind of crazy, though? Like, this mess was on my face. It's, like, so artistic, yet not. You know what I mean? How did you and Riley meet? Well, it's funny y'all asked that. He was my ski instructor. I feel like some of you know that already, but maybe my newer subbies don't know necessarily. But he was my ski instructor. I met him. I fell madly in love with him. It was so easy to talk to him. I don't really have anything else to say other than like he was my ski instructor and like I just could not wait to ski with him. He made me feel very comfortable. He was very respectful and he is the love of my life. I love him so much. I'm so lucky, you guys. I'm so freaking lucky. My face just feels so clean yet moisturized because it's like these wipes are just pure magic. Like they get off all the dirt and the debris you got going on. Let's head on over to Twitter and I'm also going to tell you guys and show you guys what I like to do like skincare wise when taking off my makeup. How has your health been doing lately? It's good. It's good. You guys know I hurt my neck on that little skiing trip, but it feels so much better. There's a lot of questions here about like Riley and marriage and kids, and the only thing I want to tell you guys about that is just like when the time is right, the time is right. I'm nowhere near ready to have kids anytime soon. Anytime soon, okay? And marriage, it'll happen when it happens. You know what I mean? Ooh, I like this question. What's your favorite workout clothing brand? My favorite workout clothing brand right now is Gymshark. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but I think they're worth it because they kind of suck everything in and make you feel a little bit more confident about being in the gym. So I'm going to start by using the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Really like this because it's very, very hydrating and cooling. Your girl is very dry, so I find that this is a really great combination to use with the wipes. And I just kind of apply it all over and then rub it into the skin. I love me a good Murad Nutrient Gel hydrating moment. Also like to drag it down in my neck. Now, again, you guys, this is not my like nighttime get on ready with me. This is just like a get on ready with me, taking my makeup off, what I like to do to keep my skin refreshed and everything. And the wipes take off so much of the makeup that I don't even really feel I need to use a cleanser from time to time, you know what I mean? Like, it's just that good. If you were stranded on an island with only 3 beauty products, what would you pick? My Neutrogena wipes is definitely one of them, because a girl needs to make sure that her face is clean. And I would also take an eyebrow product, and I would take a lip gloss. 100%. Next, what I like to do is, like, after I have my lips on, I always really like to exfoliate them. A lot of people always ask me, like, what is this here? And this is just a freckle. I've always had this. It just has become more prominent throughout the years, but I really have been loving the Colourpop Lippy Scrubs. This is the By the Bushel. So what I'll do is I'll just go in with the scrub and prep my lips and just make sure they're good from wearing lipstick all day, wearing matte lipstick. This is also really hydrating at the same time as it's scrubbing, so that's another reason I like it. And you can go ahead and use your Neutrogena wipe to take it off, scrub off any of the dead skin you have. A lot of people are asking me about crystals and stuff like that, so I have a video coming soon about crystals. The reason it's been taking me as long as it has is because I'm trying to get the materials, and I'm working with my energy healer to get some more information about it all. Shout out to my girl Sally. How you doing? Are you doing any collabs this year? Well, girl, you're gonna have to wait and see. McDonald's or Burger King? McDonald's all the way, okay? And I'm gonna answer the last question here. It's, what is something you've always wanted to do but for some reason were never able to? That's a really good question, and I love to, like, end it on that note, because, like, this is kind of like just what I like to do to get on ready with me. I have a whole different routine for, like, obviously different things, but, like, this is kind of like the base of what I do on the regular. Something that I want to do but I've never been able to. Something that I've, like, always wanted to do was, I mean, traveling is, like, huge on it, and, like, exploring Tokyo is huge for me. And the reason I haven't been able to do it is just because, like, I've been having so many issues with my house, you guys know, and, like, issues with Mo the past year and stuff like that. I mean, I think I'll eventually get to Tokyo. I think that'd be so cool. But there's just been a little, like, speed bumps in the road. So that's why I haven't been able to do it. And I also would, like, love to eventually go skydiving. I'm such a little baby. Like, I totally chickened out at the last minute. I was supposed to go skydiving one time, and I totally chickened out because I had a bad dream about it. So those are some really bomb questions. I really liked that last one. And I actually just saw another one while I was scrolling that I really want to answer, and then this one will officially be the last question. It says, when you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grew up, and how much has that changed over the years? That is such a good question, because my mom sent me, I want to say, like, a year ago, something that I wrote down, like, in kindergarten, what I wanted to be when I was an adult or, like, grew up. And I said I wanted to move to California and either be in the fashion industry or the makeup industry. So that, to me, is crazy. I don't remember saying that or wanting to say that. Like, growing up, I always was kind of like, oh, maybe I'll be a nurse. Like, maybe I'll do this. Maybe, like, practical ideas. But, like, the fact that, like, my kindergarten mind was, like, thinking that, I think that's really, 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 really cool and really awesome. So, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Get Unready with me. A huge shout out to Neutrogena. Thank you so much again for sponsoring this video. And if you guys haven't checked out their makeup wipes, they're absolutely incredible. I love them. I will leave links down below for you guys to check them out. I think they're beautiful. They leave my skin feeling really refreshed and not dry, which I find is a big problem with a lot of other makeup wipes. And as you guys were able to see, I was able to get all of my makeup off with one wipe. So one wipe really does go a long, 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 long way. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.